Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to give our ponytails life and spice, and I'm trying out this very simple look by just using normal hair extensions, and I'm going to show you how I did this simple ponytail, which is hashtag ponytail goals. So first of all, I started off by parting my hair into two. And if you've watched my videos, I do this all the time, but I'm just going to take us through for all of us who have not been here before. And if you haven't, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and feel free to leave me a comment. I would love to read what you have to say. So sectioning the hair into two is going to make it easier for me to apply the hair gel. And when you apply the hair gel really well, it helps your hair to go down even much flatter. So as you can see, I've sectioned it into two. The front hair, I just put it into a simple rubber band just to hold it together, and it's not in my way when I'm combing. And now I'm applying my hair gel and just brushing gently with my bristle brush. As you can see, my hair is already looking shiny when I brush through, and it just already looks flatter. So when I let it go, you'll see that it will become curly, but once I comb through and it looks straight, it just looks really shiny and it makes it nice and flat. So after I apply a good amount of hair gel, I'm just going to go ahead and hold my hair into a scrunchie. You can really see the effect of the hair gel already. And after that, I will just proceed and start working at the front of my hair. So when I'm doing the front, I just kind of do the back end of the front. I'll brush through it because I want both layers to really be, nice and saturated with the hair gel, but at the same time to also really be flat, so that when I flip my hair over, it's not going to give me a hard time and have like bulges popping out and not looking as straight as I want it to do. So that's why I section it in that way, and I brush on both ends. Now what I like about hair gel is just how my curl pattern is really enhanced, as you can see here, but that's not what I'm going for this time. What I want is my hair to just really straighten out as much as possible. So when you apply the hair gel, don't leave your hair out for a long time, because then it will dry and it will stay in that state. So if it has become curly, it will stay in the curly state. If you want it to be nice and flat in a ponytail, then brush it out, hold it in a ponytail, so that when it dries, you already have your hair nice down and flat. So as you can see, I'm just putting the scrunchie, after which I applied my headscarf. Now this is me after I put my headscarf. Obviously I was really excited to see what my hair was looking like, and hey, so today, this was the first time I actually did my baby hairs, or I would call them adult hairs, but I think I like how they turned out. I think I'm going to try out this look more times, and I'm going to be a little bit adventurous with it. So that was my excitement when I took off my headscarf. And now I'm just going to go ahead and braid the back of my hair just into a simple braid. It's good for you to really stretch out your hair as you braid it, because you want the braid to be a little bit long, and this is what is going to help us when we are putting the extensions onto the hair. So I'm going to show you a really cool method. Just wait for it. So these are the hair extensions that I'm using. This is a simple human hair wig that I'm using, that I just picked up. I think it cost around, let me see, $5, and it's just what I'm using to put at the back of my ponytail. So the application is, you just hold the end of the hair extensions and just hold it to the end of your braid, and then just kind of put a bobby pin to really fasten them together. So when it's nicely fastened, then just kind of like in circular motions, just circle the hair extension around that section. You just circle it around until you have a really nice amount there. And if you feel like, okay, you've had quite enough of it there, then you move on to the next section. So we're going to do kind of like a ladder method of putting the hair extension. So you're going to see when I kind of like move to the next section, you just move like higher and higher up the braid until you reach where your ponytail is fastened to your scrunchie. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and then now I'm moving on to the next section, as you can see. And then again, do the same thing, put a bobby pin, because that is going to help your ponytail to not fall off as you're walking. It will just keep things nice and put together. Then again, just circle around that same place as much as you can. You want your hair to have a little bit of volume, And then this is going to do away with that artificial, you know how like you have a ponytail and it has that artificial flatness like at the bottom. This is just going to kind of like give your hair like some kind of like layering, and it's going to look even more natural and not like less plasticky. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move to the last section of my hair where my scrunchie is fastened, and I'm going to just circle around until I actually finish the hair extensions. So it's quite easy like that. Just keep looking through a mirror in case you need to, just to make things, you know, nice and easy for yourself. So once you're done, you can just go ahead to just get like a tiny piece of the hair and then use that to circle around your ponytail, and that is going to help to fasten the ponytail together, and you're going to have like less of that, like the tracks of the hair peeping out. Yeah, so that's why I just put this little piece of hair like around it. And yeah, already this looks good. You can already rock this. But now I'm going to show you a little twist that I do to my ponytail just to make it, you know, more spicy. So I'm just going to use a simple braid. So this is a braid that you can do by yourself. You can just get like some braiding hair and just make a single braid. To make a single braid, you can even just put this onto a window, like find something where you can, you know, anchor it and then just braid it. And now you can have something that you can just tie around your hair. So you can just put it in circular motions, and then you can fasten the end with a bobby pin and you'll be good to go. So this is our final look, guys. As you can see, this really left me like feeling good and confident, and I just can't wait to rock this hair, and I hope you do too. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.